Funding for this program is made possible by the Corporation of Public Broadcasting and viewers like you.
Hey there guys, Tyrese Joyner here, back again with another video. I know it's been a while since I did the Killalot how to make, so let's get down to business. Because I have here Mentos and the Coke, because we're doing the Mentos experiment. Here we go. First, you need Mentos and then Coke. First, all you gotta do is open the Coke. Like this. Make sure you have something to put on the top. And then here come the Mentos. Once you have the Mentos, here goes nothing. Voila! You like that? Cool, ain't it? Cool, ain't it? That's why it's called the Mental Coke experiment. Thank you guys for watching. As always, keep it real, my friends, and stay in school. And make sure that you click subscribe and the notification bell. And let me know in the comment section of what you think about this experiment. Bye-bye.
Funding for this program is made possible by the Corporation of Public Broadcasting and viewers like you.
I won't lose all my pluses, but Tyrese will be very disappointed. He seems to be disappointed if we don't maintain all of our pluses sometimes.
Sometimes, but I think that you'll be fine this episode.
But he's always talking about how the secret missions will be hard, and I'm always dying on the secret missions, so Tyrese jinxed me for once.